Cooper at DSI Automotive today talking about the Curveball XL Synthetic Brush from the Detail Factory. Looking at it at first glance, it has a great ergonomic design for the handle, which is going to help you cover more surface area on those door panels, dashes, vinyl, leather, and piano black surfaces. One of the great things about this too, it has its own storage rack. Let me show you how it's used. Today I'll be using 713 Special Cleaner from Automagic. Rather than spraying the dash directly, spray the curveball, and then start by going in a circular motion. This will create a nice lather with your interior cleaning product of choice. With the size of the brush and the synthetic bristles, you are able to cover more surface area on the dash. The ergonomic handle on the curveball will prevent early fatigue. Along with interiors, the curveball can also safely be used on exterior emblems and crevices with your favorite soaps. Once finished, make sure to wipe down your area with a microfiber towel. We recommend thoroughly rinsing the bristles after use and replacing it back on its storage rack. Please do not store this brush in a bucket of water for long periods of time. And there you have the Curveball XL Synthetic Brush.